Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually wearing makeup for today's TJ Maxx video. Usually I never have time to put any makeup on for these. I have a really fun TJ Maxx video for you guys today. We went to TJ Maxx and Marshall's to see what was new in the beauty section and definitely found a few goodies. And if you're wondering what I have on my eyes, I just got my Sydney Grace Tintalia palettes in the mail, so let me know if you guys want a review on this. I've kind of been doing a lot of eyeshadow palette reviews as of lately. I have the Laura Lee Candy Skies, the new ColourPop Lush Life collection as well that I just did yesterday, so lots of palette reviews. But anyways, you're here for TJ Maxx, so let's go ahead and get to shopping. First thing at the stores, I see a lot of lip stuff, some repeat things, not a whole lot new. I did see 2 more shades in these MAC Patent Paints. We found a few of these last week. We have Major Glazer and Slick Flick. These are $7.99. They also have a ton more of the Buxom Pillow Pouts. Again, they have pretty much the full line here in Soft Whisper, Darling Dolly, and then So Spicy. These are $6.99. They're a creamy lip powder. We also have Cuddle Me and Cozy Up. And this one is Kiss Me, this dark fuchsia. Okay, this is interesting. I do see one new makeup item, and this is actually from Beautyblender, and it is their Leveler Pore Minimizing Primer. We have definitely seen the foundation here, but that's about it. There's one here. Actually, they're probably restocking. So they have the Longwear Foundation in 1C. For $12.99. I did try that one out on my channel and it has good coverage, but the primer here is going for $7.99, which is a really good price, honestly. I don't know if this is one of their newer ones. I know they recently came out with some, and then I saw something else over here from them when I was looking earlier, but this is the InstaClean Waterless Sponge and Brush Cleaning Spray from them, which would actually be kind of nice. So this is going for $4.99. They have 2 of those as well. So excited to see more Beautyblender. I'm surprised we haven't seen like any of their sponges here lately. I found a new Marc Jacobs cherry set. I thought we had seen everything, but apparently not. This is a little eyeliner set. It's the I Pick You, and it's going for $16.99. It comes with 3 mini eyeliners, and then I think this is their liquid one as well. Really nice shades, some like purples, a brown. Really cute little set from them, from the cherry line. And then I found these Guerlain products here. I think someone returned these from online, but this is the Guerlain Be Glow Aqua Cushion. It says Dewy Effect Moisturizing Cushion Foundation, I believe, in 02 Natural for $29.99 here. It says it refreshes and hydrates the skin, creating a radiant, dewy complexion. So you may not see these in your store, but if I can find them on the website, maybe I'll link them. They also have the meteorites here. This is the Glow Pearls cushion, so it's different than the little balls I'm guessing that they have for like highlight. This is also $29.99. And it's in the shade, it just says makeup primer, so I guess it's a meteorites primer, so maybe all those colors kind of mixed together to create like the perfect even tone. So fun to see those here since we never find Guerlain. I was just looking through these little containers here, and I found this from Smashbox, which looked interesting. It is the Brow Tech Matte Pencil, so a brow pencil. I know we always see their eyeliners here, so I thought that was kind of cool. In the shade Brunette, this is for $7.99. They also have the color dark brown too, so this must be a new find since we're getting multiple shades. And here's a lot more of the Beautyblender foundation that they're stocking in tons of different colors. Some more finds from Buxom here. We have some eyeliners, which is exciting. We always see their lip stuff, so it's fun to find something new. But these are their waterproof Hold the Line eyeliners in Ring My Bell and then Knock Twice. I feel like I have tried this before and I feel like it smudged, so I don't know if it's like completely waterproof, but the teal shade looks really fun. This is going for $6.99 a piece. And I was super excited about this. We have a Marc Jacobs lip liner. I don't think I've ever seen one here before. So this is the Pout Liner Longwear Lip Pencil in a Slow Burn. I think this is like a mauve tone. I know they have a couple other lip products in that color, and this is for $5.99. And then this is a fun find from Becca. They actually have their Ever Matte Primer. So full size here, pretty new here. I don't know if we've seen this here yet. It's going for $9.99. We might have seen it in a set before, but I don't think we've seen it individually. I also spotted this Winky Luxe product. It's been a bit since we've seen stuff from them, but they have this, I think it's a lip balm. It says Matcha Balm in Blueberry. This is for $5.99. So I'm seeing a ton of new Cara beauty palettes. I know they're not super well known, but I think they're amazing quality here. They remind me of like ColourPop or BH. Really fun color stories. I think they're definitely worth checking out, and they have a ton of new really fun palettes here. So they have these mini ones here. This is called Party Girl, and it's by Cara Beauty. This is the color scheme. It's so pretty. This is for $4.99. This Beach Bum one, super cute, lots of bright shades. Kind of reminds me of the new ColourPop Lush Life palette for $4.99. And they have the Road Tripping one, which is like these really pretty bronzy neutrals. Kind of curious about it. I like the color scheme a lot, so I may pick that one up. And then they have this bigger one. These all have like newer packaging. Their stuff used to be very plain and boring, but this is getting really cute. Like, it does remind me a lot of ColourPop. This one is the Beyond the Sky. So curious about the shade here in the middle. That looks gorgeous. This is for $7.99. I am seeing a new brand here, the Beauty Crop. We see a lot of the brand Crop Beauty, but they're two totally different brands. This is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. They always do really fun packaging, but you might have seen them in Ipsy bags previous. This is only $2.99. Really inexpensive. Another item from Beauty Crop, they had this Glamazon stick. It says with cocoa butter and jojoba oil. It's a highlighting crayon. This is going for $3.99. And then I did find a couple Winky Luxe items. I think I saw this at Marshall's before, but it's the under eye concealer. They have medium deep. This is for $5.99. And then from Winky Luxe again, I found this powder lights. I think it's a highlighter in Celestial. This is $5.99. And then this product over here too from Winky Luxe, I think we did see this once randomly at Marshall's, but it's the Fee liner from them that has these little bows all over it. Just a black eyeliner and bow tie for $6.99. Also found, digging through this crazy pile here, this Clinique High Impact Waterproof Mascara. We've been seeing a lot of their stuff lately, which is kind of fun. This is going for $7.99. Also some new Laura Mercier lip liners I spotted. We have the shade Parisian Rose and then Poopery. This is for $5.99. I don't think I've seen these shades before, but this is a pretty good lip liner. And also this is newer as well. It's a liquid lip color in fuchsia mauve. I only saw one color. These are $7.99. Just found a new Marc Jacobs find too, digging through these lip colors. I swear my stores are not always organized, but this is the Brow Wow Duo. We have not seen this yet. It's a brow powder pencil and tinted gel. It says there's an extra pencil refill included. So this is in dark brown. It's $8.99. Let's see if there's any more hiding in here. Some of the same Marc Jacobs like lip glosses I found last week. Also digging through there, I found this fine liner ultra skinny gel eye crayon. I think this is their normal eyeliners, right? I have no idea. Maybe not. But this is in Cinderella, and it's going for $6.99. So lots of random Marc Jacobs things popping in. You really have to dig to find these items because they're just only like one pieces each of everything. And then I saw they restocked just one Smashbox foundation again. We saw this in the past, but not very many shades. This is in 1.1 Fair Light Neutral for $17.99. I still need to try this one out. And then I was really excited about these Makeup Revolution palettes. We are finally seeing some new ones again. These are cute. It's like a little teddy bear. So this is the Revolution Toy Factory Rosy palette in the shape of a bear. This is for $6.99. I'll have to insert a photo. And they also have this honey one as well. It looks so cute. And then here's one more of those Revolution teddy bear palettes. This one is in Jet. Oh, they have like the star sign and everything, the personality on there too. Kind of fun. It's like Build-A-Bear or whatever. But yeah, these are really cute. They kind of remind me of the bunny ones that they had a few months back. Yeah, the skincare, we have some new Exuviance products showing up. This is the Bright Eyes Dark Circle Corrector. This is going for $12.99. And then they also have the Wrinkle Smooth Topical Peptide as well, which is $17.99. Also spotted this from Biossance. I know they have one product with squalene that's super popular. I think it's actually their vitamin C serum, but I found this. It's the Squalene and Tea Tree Balancing Oil. It says that it clears, calms, and hydrates the skin. This brand is pretty popular on Sephora. This is going for $24.99. We also have this dry bar product, which is kind of cool. We always see their dry shampoo, but not a lot of other stuff. So they have their Mudslide Nourishing Hair Mask here, full size. This one deeply moisturizes and nourishes for healthy looking hair, and it's only $10.99. That's actually really inexpensive for a dry bar. And there's a couple of things that don't have lids on it, but I thought I would mention it too. This Mai Tai Spritzer Sea Salt Spray. So we're seeing a lot of this brand. This is $8.99. Also in the hair section, they have this Chi and Barbie collection for hair products. There's the Silk Infusion Silk Restructuring Complex. This is for $14.99, and then this is the Volume Booster Liquid Bodifying Glaze for $9.99. They have the little Barbie head at the bottom. I swear everyone is collabing with Barbie these days, but really fun. Super cute packaging. I don't really use Chi that much, but I thought it would show. And then they also have this Chi and Barbie Iron Guard, their heat protection spray for $9.99. You guys know I love to check out the perfumes. They have this one by Chloe, The Love Story. I don't own any of her fragrances. This is for $59.99. And then this one looks new from Philosophy. They have Summer Grace. I know they have so many different versions of the Grace scent from them. This is only $26.99 for 4 ounces, which seems like a pretty good deal. I was stocking a bunch of Juicy Couture perfumes, but I have to show you guys my favorite one. This is the Gold Couture. If you guys like sweet scents, this seriously smells so good. It's like delicious vanilla, warm and sweet. This is going for $19.99 for 1 ounce. One of my all-time faves. Finally getting in more celebrity perfumes here at TJ. This is the Jessica Simpson I Fancy You. I think I bought this one actually off FragranceNet. I'm doing like a celebrity perfume video, but it smells very good. This is only $14.99, so it's super affordable too. So tons of that one. We also have the Ariana Grande Ari. This is one of my favorites from her. It smells like marshmallows, super sweet. This is $29.99. I wanted to mention as well, I've seen a lot of Wild Fox t-shirts lately the past couple of weeks. This one's actually kind of cute. It just says Stay Wild. They usually have a bunch of different sayings, but this brand used to be everything back in the day. I have like their jumpers, sweatshirts that are super popular. But I don't know, I feel like the brand has kind of gone downhill. These are only $12.99. Here's another one that just says tacos and margs, kind of mixed in with the clothing. We're at Marshall's. They have quite a few of these buxom glosses, but just in one color, which is Cherry Flip. This one is going for $6.99. And then I did want to mention I found another Marc Jacobs Cafe foundation in a medium shade this time. We always see the deep 410 I think, but this one is medium 260 for $12.99. So weird that we're only getting one at a time and not like a whole bunch. But look at this buxom gloss too. This is pretty. It has really cute packaging. This one's in the shade Mojito for $6.99. They have this fun product from the brand Hemp's. I always love their body care lotions and stuff. This is actually a body mask. It's the pumpkin spice and vanilla chai limited edition. It says, I never have seen these masks before, but this is going for $8.99. Marshall's got in those same Cara palettes today, but this one was different. It's the Escape the Ordinary, which looks like this. Again, super fun. Love all the colors. There's some glitters mixed with mattes. Very bright tones, and the packaging is super cute. Alright guys, so I actually don't have a haul this time around, which is kind of surprising. Did not find anything that I just had to have in my life this week, but probably next week I will. You never know what's going to come around at TJ Maxx, what makeup surprises. I found some really good stuff too at Burlington Coat Factory and also Ross, so I need to do those videos as well because those stores have really been killing it for me. So anyways, if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on these videos to see all the best TJ Maxx finds, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.